Hey guys, this is Boss, and I'm about to take a drive on my MX500 dirt bike by Razor, and I just wanted to show you guys and bring you along with me. Hills take quite a toll on the electric motor. Its battery is good for 40 minutes of driving, and its top speed is 15 miles an hour. This is a great dirt bike for beginners, especially before you decide to get a gas one. It's not just great for on-street driving, it's also great for off-roading. I've driven this off-road before and it handles very well, especially with the dual suspension setup. Okay guys, thanks for driving with me. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.